Hey, what's up, fellas? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris. As always, I'm very excited to see here, guys. Today, I'm going to show you how to download and install and configure the Postman on Windows 10. If you don't know what the Postman is the special software that you can use to manage your API while you are developing a project. Without further ado, let's go ahead. I'm in Chrome and go and type Postman like this one. I'm writing a typo. Right, like Postman, like this one. Right. After you do that, press enter, and the first link that will come will be from Postman API platform, and it is from postman.com. Go ahead and click on the first link that you will see on here, and it will bring this interface, and you can see all the things here and the description about this one. And you can go ahead and go on the Windows, because I'm using the Windows for here. If you are using Mac or Linux, you can choose from here and choose the proper setup for your proper computer. I'm going to go ahead and choose the Windows. After I do that, I will see all this one, and I can go ahead and let's see for this if it will be changed to Windows. Let's see. All right, you can see now all this is for the Windows. I can go ahead and place on this, and I will choose my system architecture. In this case, I'm using 64-bit. I'm gonna go ahead and place on 64-bit, and it will start download. The setup is not that heavy, and I'm going to wait for the setup to be done, and we continue with the installation. Meanwhile, while I'm doing this one, I can go ahead and create the Postman account while we are waiting for the download to be done. I will go ahead and uh, search for the temp mail, because while I am going to create the account, I will be required to use the email, but for the demonstration purpose, I cannot use my proper email or the official email. I'm going to use the temp mail so as to make the account from the Postman. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and right click on here, and I'm gonna go on the sign up for free, and we wait for a bit for this to be opened. All right, I can go ahead and provide my email here. That is the email that I got from this link, or I can go ahead and copy to the clipboard using that icon, and I will go ahead and paste in here. And the username, I can type like Hano Media, like this one. And the password, I'm not going to spare this one. Let me type my password that I like. Right, and I will ignore this one, and I can go ahead and create a free account. Right, so we have to wait for this to be created. All right, cool. You can see now it is now welcoming me with this. What is your name? Uh, and all these kind of stuffs, and I can go ahead and type. For example, I'm called Ano Media, and which of the rows is the closest to yours? You can select the options, but let me go ahead close this one. Can go ahead and choose, for example, a full stack developer, and I will leave this all checked. All right, I will check out this one, and I will type continue. After I do that, it will load for okay. And if you have a team, you can go ahead and create from here. But if you don't have one, you can leave this option. It is optional, it is not recommended. And after this, I'm going to go ahead and continue without a theme. So we wait for a couple of seconds for this thing to load. Alright, while it is loading, we can do parallel processing. But it is coming, let's see. Alright, cool, now we are ready to go. You can go ahead and email and confirm your account so as to ensure that all things are active. And alright, let's see for this, and you can confirm the email. All right, after you do that, you go on the setup and open the setup like this one. And you can see now the email has been confirmed. You can go ahead to your profile and we are now done creating our account. So let's go ahead and close my Chrome. We are going to continue with the setup and we will log in. We're using those one. I forgot to keep the credentials, but I think they will come back. Let me try to bring them back and go to my history, and I will have to bring my email again. I hope to come as it was right. All right, thanks God. Okay, and okay, I'm going to go ahead on my setup. It is opening like this one. I have to wait for a couple of seconds. All right, cool. Now it's opening like this one. Let's wait for all the workspace to be loaded. I have to wait for these little things to end loading, and it will welcome you with this one. And you can see there will be an option to create account or sign in, and as we have previously created our account, and it is also notifying me the updates. Okay, dismiss this one. I'm going to sign in because I have created the account, and we did that for managing our time, for avoiding this video to be a long and boring one. So I'm going to go ahead and place on sign in. All right, and let's see, let's wait for this, and it will sign in from my browser. All right, so let's wait for this one. And the reason why we are messing up with these account things, because it can help you to save your files and restore your project while you are still learning. And when you don't create account in the Postman, you can have the risk of losing your project when you accidentally have your PC crashed, or you have met with another other issue that can require you to change the computer. You can still have your data by using your account that you created. That is the reason of creating this one. Okay, to bring this one on my browser so as to get this one, and I'm going to go and paste my email on here, and I'm going to put my password that I created earlier. Right, and go ahead and sign in and to load. All right, cool. Now you can see now it is now saying that it is great to see you again, Hano Media, and it is trying to open the Postman, and it is asking us for the permission. Of course, go ahead and press open to open the Postman to see if the things that we are trying to do, if they are successful. So let's wait for this Postman to load again. The things of loading. OMG. Okay, now we are in. All right, let's see what is going to bring us. All right, to ask me to also update. If you wish to update, go ahead and please place on update. And you can see in this version will be they release the bug fixes. If you want to do that, you can go ahead and update, but I don't want to update. It can make this video a huge one. So go ahead and press on dismiss, and you can see now the workspace will look like this one. And when you try to go on here, I hope you see the current situation that's going on here. You can go ahead and upgrade, and you can perform a bunch of things using this Postman. Okay, that was it for today, and I hope you guys will find this video interesting. I hope you were not bored, because it was a error of a lot of processes, but it's worth it. And if you liked it, go ahead and press like. And if you are coming here and you are saying that you want to see many videos like this one, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notification, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.